Now that you've gotten the Sage out the way, now we would like to learn the Excel. And Excel is very important. Excel, they say, is the backbone of accounting. So if you want to go into accounting or you want a bookkeeper role, it is very important that you have your Excel skills nice and ready. You will most likely be tested on these on certain functions at an interview, such as VLOOKUPs and HLOOKUPs and pivot tables and if-then statements, and all of that will be available on this course, apart from VLOOKUPs and HLOOKUPs, because they have now been replaced with XLOOKUPs. So on this course, you will learn how to use the new function XLOOKUP. Okay, let's see the accounts assistant jobs and what normally what type of jobs, what type of Excel functions they'll require. Okay, let's have a look at this. So all that you should be able to do now from Excel. Experience with Sage, that's good. We can have that. Add with Microsoft Office experience, which is good, which is what we will plan to have in this on this course. Now let's try another recruitment website. Let's try Indeed. Sorry, we just tried that. Let's try this. See how they are. These guys asking there for any Excel. No, these guys are not asking for any Excel. Okay, let's try the next one. Intermediate Microsoft Excel. And this is what this course will allow you to do. Once you learn this, you'll actually be above that. You'll be a master Excel user. Okay, let's see what these guys look for. Not very clear. Sales, petty cash, good knowledge of Sage 50 account, Sage 50 payroll, and Microsoft Excel. Now this is the part we want to do. We want to get our Microsoft Excel up there. I hope you take on this course and realize that it has a lot to offer, especially with the Excel. The Excel course is designed to be very easy to follow and yeah, at the same time, very intense, meaning that you have lots of practice questions to do. And we hope that you enjoy this course. Please leave a comment after you complete the course. It should only take a few hours.